All right, welcome back. DaVinci Resolve has just released a brand new feature, and that is an aging or a de-aging feature. And we're going to jump in on how to use this. And I think this thing is a game changer, and they have made it just as simple as ever. So I've pulled up a clip of me here in DaVinci, and we're going to go through how to do it. All right, so as you can see here, there is a clip of me. And what you want to do is go into your color panel. And then if you just type in face, you'll see there is now a face age transformer section, which wasn't there before. Now, just so you know, this is the beta version, currently 21, and I'm assuming it's going to be in all the versions after that. So make sure you've got that downloaded. Now, you just simply type in face, and then you can drag age transformer over to the clip. Then what you do is you can detect the face, although because my face is in the frame, it's going to find it. And then you want to scrub through the frame. Now I've just selected a short clip here, so should be pretty quick. Now what you want to do here is then select the age of the subject. So I am 39 years old, so I'm going to set this here to 39. Then it says an age offset, and this is where it actually changes your face. So I'm just going to zoom in a bit here. And then you can either go older, and you can see it's actually does a surprisingly really good job. And so that's made me 29 years older, and actually it's kind of scarily real. I hope that I don't look like this in the future. Or you can then just simply drag it the other way and de-age yourself. Now, it does give you a little bit of a blur when you're making yourself look a bit younger. You could always add in some detail. Now, this wasn't exactly the clearest picture of my face, but as you can see there, that's taken my age off by 21 years. And I'm looking really youthful there. Oh, wouldn't it be nice to be young again? Now let me switch back. Oh, getting old, getting really old. And wow. And it's just as simple as that. Drag through. And as you can see, when we've gone back into the timeline, we've got an old version of me there. Now, this does run pretty slow when you're playing it back. It does use a lot of processing power, but once you render that out, you will have, well, really old, or let's make, that's a bit better, hey? A younger version of myself. Hey, look at that handsome guy. And look, just as simple as that, now you can age or de-age yourself. Okay, I hope this has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Tell me, how are you going to use this new feature?